Lithium batteries, aerosol cans, and pressure containers are some of the most dangerous materials in recycling. Fire, explosion, and thermal runaway are real risks. That's why we developed this nitrogen-inert industrial shredder. The entire shredding chamber is fully enclosed and reinforced with heavy-duty steel plates, allowing safe processing of flammable and pressurized materials. After feeding, the system automatically seals the chamber, and nitrogen is injected to replace oxygen, creating a stable low-oxygen environment that prevents combustion. Real-time oxygen sensors and flame detection systems monitor the process 24/7. If any abnormal signal appears, the shredder automatically activates emergency nitrogen flooding and shutdown. With water-cooled discharge system, heat is eliminated before material leaves the machine. This system is built for lithium battery recycling, hazardous waste treatment, and any high-risk industrial shredding application. Maximum safety. Continuous operation. Industrial-grade reliability. Subscribe to our channel and contact us for customized recycling solutions.